DIY accessories too. They're one step, two step. So this is what it ends up looking like. How cute. Let me not forget my utility belt. Like, how cool is that?
Ta-da! I made it!
Good.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Some of the videos that you've loved the most on this channel are DIY room decor, DIY merch, and DIY accessories. So I've done DIY room decor too. I've done DIY merch too. And so now I'm bringing you DIY accessories too. Here are 5 quick and easy DIY accessories that you can make with stuff you probably already have lying around at home. Starting off with number 1, I've seen these 3D printer attachments for headphones. I've even also seen crochet ones. I don't have a 3D printer lying around, and I know most of you don't. I looked at this picture and I went, maybe I could use pipe cleaners. If I'm thinking I need something, I'm thinking I'm gonna make it. I'm not gonna buy it. I got some pipe cleaners. I'm gonna use the green one. And I'm thinking I can make some little antenna to go on top of my headphones. Because it's pipe cleaner, you can just like bend it in a way so that it can come on and off. Which I feel like I could just figure it out. But essentially, I'm gonna take the pipe cleaner. I'm gonna wrap it around. I'm gonna double it up as well. I'm just gonna wrap them around each other. Kind of like eyeliner. You're gonna add more to make it look better, and it might just get bigger and bigger. And yeah, so this is what it ends up looking like. Cute. Okay, number 2, I saw again this picture on Pinterest and I thought, I can make that. I know people have made these out of like they're little beads that you like put in a thing. I used to have it as a kid. You like iron it. So my thought process is, boom, Shrinky Dink plastic that I then attach to a clip. Draw out your design first just to make sure that you know what you're doing. I want to do the like angry thing. Draw it out and color it in, and it's just a matter of making the icon that you want to be on the top of the clip and then literally just using hot glue and sticking it on. You could do Animal Crossing emotes. That's such a good idea. But yeah, so this is what they ended up looking like. How cute. Okay, number 3. I'm really excited for this because it's kind of OC-esque. I keep seeing, again, wait. I'm seeing a thing. I keep seeing these pictures on Pinterest of like these like utility belts, and I again am just seeing something that I could probably make. Realistically, it's just a pocket that's on a belt. So I'm thinking if I take a pocket that already exists, I can leave belt loops to put it on a belt. But I feel like it's such a great way to add pockets to a skirt if your skirt doesn't have pockets, which it should, but you know. But like imagine you're going out to the club and like you've got nowhere to put your phone. Oh, well, let me not forget my utility belt. Like how cool is that? We do one lower down, or maybe maybe we do like asymmetrical. Maybe it's like hanging off here. Some people would say I was visited by a demon. Like, no babe, that's the Hat Man and he's coming to get me.
Ta-da! Woo! I made it!
Good.
That takes us to halfway through all of the DIYs. So if you've enjoyed them so far, please give a like and subscribe. Okay, number 4. I've kind of spoken about this already a little bit, sorry, but I've got more to make. Another easy DIY accessory is leg warmers, of course. If this doesn't quench your thirst for making leg warmers, I have a whole dedicated video, 5 different ways you can make leg warmers. But I recently got this jumper from the kids section. Do you not see the leg warmer potential here? I'm gonna cut the whole sleeve. It is knitted though, so I'm gonna have to actually be careful with it, making sure I actually sew it up so that it doesn't unravel. I have high hopes for this. I know you're thinking, what are you gonna do with the leftover fabric? Well, be patient. Number 5. Again, I saw this on Pinterest, but it is a TikTok thing, making clips. So we've had 2 hair clips in this. I didn't realize it was this easy. Taking a clip first, just like draw around your clip, go ahead and sew across. It's a lot easier than you think. No specific stitch. People keep asking me, what stitch do you use? I promise you, it doesn't matter as long as it works. What's that thing? Just make something, you can make it better later. Why did that sound like Trump? Anyway, here's what I made. Do you like it? And number 6. Wow, you've been very patient. I could so easily get a hat out of this. I'm gonna make a round beanie, but genuinely, if you want to make a cat beanie out of that would be really cute. Just make a square, and then when you flip it inside out and you put it on, it gives you cat ears. The way that I'm doing it, I'm gonna like gather it in the top and it will make a round point. But genuinely, cut across, sew across, flip it inside out, cat beanie. It's that easy. Wow, done so soon. But my quick, easy, digestible DIY videos are back. They're a fan favorite for a reason. I speed through them, and if you have any questions, I will answer them in the comments. And they're one step, two step, DIYs that anyone can do. If you have anything you want me to try out, please leave a comment and let me know. But if you like the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. New videos every Friday, and I stream on Twitch on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. So make sure to go follow me over there. I also have a shop where I can style you. I have style bundles available. It's really fun. Bye, guys. Bye.